Hi, my name is Alina. I'm 20 years old, and this is my tennis video.
Remember to bend your knees and move up. Can you do it a bit quicker? And go. So very good. Remember to hit from down and up. Put the racket all the way up. I mean, if you close the racket and the racket here, it's going to most likely go to the neck. Okay? Try again. And next. Next. Go. Split step, backhand. Very good. Very good. Take one more forehand when you keep your left arm up, okay? If you let it fall down. No, again, you need to keep it up. No, look, you need to keep it up here. Okay? Don't hold it in here. Try to stretch your arm. Fine. And try again. Okay, good. Forehand. Keep the eyes on the ball. Keep the eyes on the ball. Back. Very good. Backhand. Good. Okay, go back to the middle. And forehand. Run. Keep your arm up. Try again. Back to the middle. Arm up. Need to move a bit closer to the ball. Go. Backhand. Yeah, it's a little bit hard. And forehand. And then you make the exercise. Remember to try down your knees. Backhand. Very good. Back. And you look. Good. And forehand. Very good. Come on. Remember, when you hit the forehand, don't open like this. Keep your arm here, okay? Because otherwise, if you open, then you're too open. Try again. Good. Backhand. Run. Very good. Back. Remember, never turn the back to the net. And have you control the ball. Look at the ball. Look, if the ball's coming a bit too fast, you need to stop and then hit. Because if you're just gonna run, then you're gonna crash into the ball. Okay? Come on.